everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm here with my beautiful daughter Korea.
Hi guys.
We're getting ready to go to my mom's house, but before I get there, I'm going to this place called Crafty Crabs. They sell seafood boils down here in South Florida, and I'm finna go pick that up, and we're gonna go down there.
Wait, hold on guys. First, get that subscribe button before it gets started. Hit that subscribe button, give a notification, give me a huge thumbs up.
My baby said give us a huge thumbs up, hit that like and subscribe button below, and keep watching. Finally made it to Crafty Crabs, and it is hella packed. So what I'm gonna do is go ahead, grab the crabs, come out, maybe take a picture and insert it somewhat in this video, and then I'm gonna head to my mom's house. So see y'all when we get there.
And that's what?
Okay, y'all, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I was gonna show y'all how the bag looked, but my mama done busted open before we even got here.
Hi guys.
So let me just go ahead. This is my mom. And this is the crab bowl. So let's get into that.
Yummy, yummy,
Which
yum.
is amazing.
It's amazing.
I'm gonna be eating off this for
Oh
2
my
days because
gosh.
you know I'm on the diet.
Okay.
Ooh, that corn look good as shit.
It does look good.
But look, this ain't nothing for you.
Inside this, yeah, right. Inside this seafood bowl, we have crabs, headless shrimp, corn, potatoes, and boiled eggs. So let me just set y'all up so y'all can see
Oh, it's good.
what's going on. You
They
like
sell just the corn by itself.
it? Who knows? I mean, it's a seafood place.
Nobody say you can have none.
I want to try.
You can have one.
No.
No,
That
one means
that,
that.
baby. Let's set
That
this
means.
up so that everybody can
No,
see.
no.
10 crabs up. So let's get into it. Y'all see my baby? She the first one going in on the crab.
You don't want none, right?
Yes, I do.
Yay.
Yeah, for real?
Yes,
So
I
how's
do.
mine?
I said I was buying the seafood boil for my mother, but I don't know why she thought she was gonna sit here
Why
and
you
eat
buy
the
your
seafood
own?
all by herself.
Come on, look at me. What we got plate?
I need a plate.
That's your girl now.
Y'all don't use plates?
I asked you to get all that together before we got here.
Damn, Korea. Use this. Here we eat on plates over here at grandmama's house. Corn is the shit.
So what you trying to say? We don't eat corn in mine? It's gonna be your own place on mine?
I couldn't tell.
You
Maybe
got
you
the
better go
bag in
get
front of the
some.
camera so people can't see. So you need to like move it.
She coming to mess with you.
Let me show y'all the inside of this crab wall. Let's get into it.
Get it. It's gonna take all day.
These are your regular snow crabs. These are not dungeon crabs. These are not king crabs, which are crabs that are bigger than your regular snow crabs. Down here in South Florida, snow crabs is popping. One time for the crabs out here.
She's trying to go to the store. It's fat free.
It is fat free, y'all.
That's good. You made me wait.
You
on
okay,
that.
Toots? It tastes good. Y'all see my mama dress? Give me to my mama dress. One time for the one time, though, okay? And so how the crabs taste?
That's good.
1 out of 10.
Well,
Korea, you give them a 2?
No, I'm gonna give them a 10, but y'all can't be eating them all.
Well, I just ate a shrimp. Oh my god. We'll get into it.
This is good. Because I didn't know she's just me.
Damn, she know how to do it better than me.
Yeah.
Daddy always
All right, Crafty Crabs, we giving y'all free promo over here. Like, cause I paid for this dish. This is not sponsored at all in no
Daddy
shape
said
or
I
form.
know
Mm,
how
that's
to fight
okay.
crabs.
What?
Hey, guys. There.
Get into my mama nails.
Brown.
You will never catch up with her nails not done.
So, called self-care.
Self-care is the best care. Tell them, any advice for the young girls out here watching?
Take care of yourself. Don't do drugs.
Don't do drugs. Take care of yourself.
And be good.
Bathe daily.
What's that?
Bathe daily.
Babe days.
You take a bath every day.
Take a bath every day. A lot of women, y'all get on here on YouTube and y'all try to figure out what type of hygiene questions y'all need to ask. The number one answer to that is take a bath.
Every day.
Every day.
Sometimes twice a day.
Take a bath. If necessary, twice a day. Brush your teeth.
Oh,
Let's start with simple basics.
And you really need more than one toothbrush to brush your teeth with.
And why do you feel that way? Get into it.
Because, like, I brush with the charcoal brush and then I polish with the spin brush.
Everybody don't brush with the charcoal brush though. Why you brush with the charcoal? What that do for you?
Clean my damn teeth.
Better than baking soda?
My daddy said I always know how to crack crab.
You do
Your
know it
daddy
perfect.
said.
Yeah, and I can do it myself.
Yeah, you better because you ain't gonna eat.
My baby over here 6 years old cracking crabs like a pro.
Yeah.
When you down here in South Florida, one of the first things you eat is crabs.
No, I got it.
No, put this up. Don't mess up your clothes.
I got it.
Okay.
These are
I'm okay. Corn is this shit.
Korea, you gonna try some shrimp?
No.
yes.
No.
Yeah, because we don't have to. Hey, where's my century?
I'm finna give you some.
My baby want her ginger ale. Go get it to us. Where is that?
I got y'all some. I need to give you, man.
You want something to drink?
I want a vitamin water.
Okay, I'll go get you a vitamin water. All right, y'all. I'm finna sit here and serve my mama, so I'm finna cut the video.
Ask Eugene to open it.